Want to learn how to create an ebook? Or curious about what goes into designing one? You are in the right place. You don't need fancy tools or a publishing deal. You just need a clear plan, a bit of time, and the right steps to follow. I am Soriza, and today I will show you a step-by-step guide that will help you create a professional ebook from scratch, even if it is your very first one. And if you are looking to earn some income, you can make money from selling ebooks. So let's get started. An ebook wouldn't exist without content. When it comes to creating content for your ebook, I recommend to use ChatGPT. I ask him to give me some ideas to write an ebook. But before you begin writing your ebook, you will first need to identify and establish your target audience. Knowing how to identify and segment an audience can be helpful with everything. As you can see, there is many options. You can choose one of them to use it in your writing. I am interested with this niche, the introvert's guide to traveling solo. I ask again ChatGPT to give me a title for solo travel ebook. Your title is one of the first things people view, so try to give your ebook an informative and eye-catching title. Avoid using obscure metaphors or contrived wording. Readers must know what they can get from your ebook before they read. I love this title, How to Travel Alone, and love it. But I love to change a little bit to be more attractive. How solo travel changed my life. Once you have a basic idea for your ebook, you can begin outlining chapters to help create a guideline for the book itself. I'll write first the introduction. Second chapter is preparing for takeoff. The second one on the road. Last but not least, returning, change it. And a few more top tips to help you travel alone and enjoy it. Begin writing each of your chapters once you have a basic outline in place. Use sources, statistics, and links. Do not worry about the flow or proofreading during this stage. Simply share as much information as possible in each of your designated chapters from your chapter outline. When it comes to designing your ebook, you can use Canva. This tool comes with free ebook templates that you can choose from and get started with ebook creation. Simply follow the steps each tool requires to customize the design of the ebook to your own needs and preferences. I choose this template which it fits with my topic. Place it with another photo from Canva. There is many free photos. I find this very attractive photo and customize a little bit. Writing the title, How Solo Travel Changed My Life. I change the font and the color. I'll write the name of the author. Start designing page by page, entering the text and visuals until you have customized it completely. Just make sure to check all the pages to ensure you have a balance of text and visuals. Once your ebook is ready, it is time to download it. Choose PDF print. Publishing your own ebook is one of the most popular ways to make money. In Amazon Kindle, I upload the manuscripts, the cover, and I select this option, which tool I used the image in my work. I use Canva. That's all. Save and continue. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye.